Scholars, it's time for Math Silent Celebration. Yes, before you get started, you need your two worksheets. You need a pencil, and you need some crayons or colored pencils. Go ahead and get all of your materials. All right, now that you're ready, we're gonna warm up doing our say 10 push-ups. So watch Miss Marotta. 10 and 1 is 11. Your turn. 10 and 1 is 11. My turn. 10 and 2 is 12. Your turn. 10 and 2 is 12. My turn. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 4, 14. Your turn. 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 5, 15. Your turn. 10 and 5, 15. All right, next one. 10 and 6, 16. 10 and 6, 16. 10 and 7, 17. 10 and 7, 17. My turn. 10 and 8, 18. 10 and 8, 18. All right. 10 and 9, 19. 10 and 9, 19. Okay, last one. 10 and 10, 20. 10 and 10, 20. Ooh, great push-ups, scholars. Let's do that again really fast. Ready? 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 2, 12. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 4, 14. 10, 5, 15. 10 and 6, 16. 10 and 7, 17. 10 and 8, 18. 10 and 9, 19. 10 and 10, 20. Great job, scholars. Let me see your math muscles. Oh, good job. All right, now that we are warmed up, let's read our learning goal today. I can model composition and decomposition of numbers 2, 5 using fingers and linking cube sticks. Scholars, composition means putting numbers together. What does it mean? Putting numbers together. Very good. So say composition is putting numbers together. Decomposition is taking numbers apart. So say decomposition, taking numbers apart. Very good, scholars. All right. Yesterday, we learned about the number bond, and the number bond is a cool tool to help us organize our information. We know that there are two circles that each show part of a number. They follow a number path to make our whole, right? We have two parts. We follow a number path and make our whole. Yesterday, we went to the park and we saw some birds in the pond, right? We saw some ducks. Those are part. And we saw some swans. Those are another part. They followed the number path, and we're going to compose them to put them together and make our whole. So all of the birds in the pond together, and that's our whole. So 2 rubber duckies plus and 3 swans make 5 birds in the pond. Whoa, scholars, what happened? It changed directions. Is that okay? Yes, it doesn't change the story at all. I still have my 2 rubber duckies and my 3 swans. They follow a number path and make a whole. So it doesn't matter what direction my number bond is facing. Say abracadabra and wiggle your fingers at the screen. Abracadabra. Woo, I changed it again. So there's my part. There's my other part. They're going to follow the number path. We're going to compose them and put them together to make our whole. Very good. All right, let's try this again. But this time we're going to use a different strategy. So my number bond changed again. So this time my whole is over here and the 2 parts are right here. Scholars, this time I'm going to use my linking cubes to show this story. So I have 3 swans and 2 ducks. So I'm going to choose 3 white linking cubes and 2 yellow linking cubes to make my story. 1, 2, 3, and 2 more make 5 altogether. I can also use my hands or my fingers to show this math story. So I have 1, 2, 3 swans and 2 ducks. And all together I have 5 birds in my pond. Show me with your fingers. 1, 2, 3 swans. Now show me your 2 ducks. And how many birds do we have all together? 5. Great job. Oh, it's time to go to the zoo, scholars. What do you see on your screen? Yes, we see some very plump zebras and a giraffe. All right, so how many zebras do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zebras and 1 giraffe make how many animals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They make 5 animals. Very good. What tools can I use to show this? Yes, I can use my number bond. I can also use my linking cubes, and I can use my hands. So we're going to use all 3 tools. The first tool is our linking cubes. So I need how many cubes to show my zebras? 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need 1 for my giraffe. There's my 5th one. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4 zebras and 1 giraffe make 5. Very good. Now let's use our hand to tell our story. 1, 2, 3, 4 zebras and 1 giraffe make 5 animals. Okay, let's organize our information in our number bond. How many zebras do we have? 4 zebras. How many giraffes do we have? 1 giraffe. And all together, they make 5 animals. Great job, scholars. Now it is dinosaur time. Cameron shared his dinosaur toys with me. How many dinosaurs do you see on your screen? Yes, 5 dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have some green dinosaurs or some triceratops, and I have some orange dinosaurs or some T-Rexes. So I'm going to use my linking cubes to show my dinosaurs. 1, 2 green dinosaurs and 1, 2, 3 orange dinosaurs. All together, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's my whole. I'm going to put this in my number bond. All right, my number bond has the number pass and it goes down to the parts. I'm going to decompose my number. So I have 5 dinosaurs all together. How many of them are green dinosaurs? 2 are green. How many of them are orange dinosaurs? 3 of them are orange. So let's fill out our math sentence. Oh, before we fill out our math sentence, let's use our hand to show this story. So 1, 2 green dinosaurs and 1, 2, 3 orange dinosaurs make how many dinosaurs? 5 dinosaurs. Very good, scholars. So 2 green and 3 orange make 5 dinosaurs. Kiss your brains. Very good. All right, now it's time to practice together. Get your bunny sheet out. And you need a gray and a black crayon. If you don't have gray and black, it's okay. You can choose any 2 colors. All right, let's read the directions. The squares below represent a cube stick. Color the squares to match the rabbits. 4 squares gray, 1 square black. So how many gray rabbits do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's color 4 squares gray. Again, you can use a different color if you don't have gray. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many squares do I need to color black? 1 square for this little guy right here. Okay, now let's put that in our number bond. So down here, how many squares am I gonna draw for my gray rabbits? 4 squares, very good. Draw your 4 squares. Give me a thumbs up when you're done. Ooh, you're so quick. Now, how many squares am I gonna draw over here for this little guy? You're right, 1 square. Now, I'm gonna compose them, so I'm gonna put them all together. So I need to draw how many squares? 5 squares, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's fill in our number sentence. 4 rabbits and 1 rabbit make 5 rabbits. 4 rabbits and 1 rabbit make 5 rabbits. Great. Let's fill out the last part of our worksheet. Show the parts of the number bond on your fingers. Color the fingers you used. Okay, so how many squares or how many rabbits were gray? 4, so let's color them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And then how many are black? 1. So how many rabbits did we have all together? 5 rabbits. Very good, scholars. Kiss your brain. Okay, last 2 problems. The squares below represent a cube stick. Color some squares blue and the rest of the squares red. Draw the squares you colored in the number bond. Show the hidden patterns or show the hidden partners on your fingers to an adult. Color the fingers you showed. So scholars, let's think of a story. Once upon a time, we went to get some cupcakes. Ooh, yummy cupcakes. We picked out 2 blue cupcakes. So can you draw 2 blue cupcakes or 2 blue squares? And the rest were red cupcakes. So how many red cupcakes do we need to color? 1, 2, 3. Very good. All right. So how many cupcakes do we have all together? 2 blue and 3 red. So 5 cupcakes. Yum. Let's fill in our hand. So 1, 2 blue cupcakes and 1, 2, 3 red cupcakes make 5 yummy cupcakes. Now let's put that on our number bond. So we have 5 cupcakes. How many are blue? 2 are blue and 3 are red. Yummy. All right, let's think of another story. This time we went outside to play, to have recess, okay? And at recess, we had different colored bouncy balls. One was blue. Can you draw that one blue? Which means how many were red? 1, 2, 3, 4 were red. Let's use our fingers to tell that story. We went out to recess. One of the bouncy balls was blue and the rest were red. 1, 2, 3, 4 were red. How many bouncy balls did we have? We had 5 bouncy balls. Let's fill that in our number bond. So we had 1 blue bouncy ball, 1, 2, and very good. 3 were, nope, 4 were red. Couldn't trick you. So all together, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Scholars, go ahead and finish that. All right, I had so much fun growing my brain with you today in math. We practiced using our hands, Linky cubes, and our number bond to compose and decompose numbers. I hope you had fun, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great afternoon. Bye.